The monkey of Hindenburg is off the back of the Adani Group. More than a month after the setback, the company is back in the news, albeit for positive reasons. 34 years after its foundation, its comeback story is the talk of the town. Thank you for joining me today. I am Atul Mishra and this is TFIPost. NSE and BSE have removed Adani Enterprises from short-term additional surveillance. The decision came after a month of 3 Adani Group companies being under the framework. The exchange seems to have completed its due diligence on all 3 companies. APSEZ and Ambuja Cements, 2 others on the list, were removed from the framework on February 13th. The decision on Adani Enterprises came after more than a week of rallies in Adani stocks. All 7 companies carrying the name Adani have registered significant spikes in the last few trading days. Comparing their respective prices from January 24th, that is the day of the Hindenburg report, and March 7th, 2023, Adani Ports Special Economic Zone and Adani Wilmar are leading the rally in percentage change. Upticks came after a series of steps taken by Adani Group to regain investors' confidence. The group announced that it will pay off Rs 5,000 crore worth of debt this year. The company has already disbursed Rs 1,500 crore and it plans to pay an additional Rs 1,000 crore in March. It has updated its public relations approach and is focusing on settling its outstanding debts. Adani Group used its cash balance and funds generated from business operations to pay it. A group spokesperson said this part of the prepayment is from the existing cash balance and funds generated from the business operations. This underscores the confidence that the market has placed in the prudent capital and liquidity management plan for the group. Additionally, the group has also repaid Rs 9,250 crore of debt and is planning to pay $500 million for a bridge loan taken to finance the purchase of Holcim Limited's cement assets. To bring EBITDA down, the company is not buying Rs 7,000 crore worth of coal plants. While these developments can be termed internal operations, Adani Group is making sure that these details reach every investor. It was the lack of advertising and PR that caused investors to doubt the group in the Hindenburg report's aftermath. Now the group has put money into its PR. It has hired Kext CNC as a global communications advisor. Kext has vast experience in image remaking. It is headquartered in 2 cities, Munich and Washington. The revival of WeWork is a significant achievement. Kext is training top brass for a situation room to deal with stressful situations. For legal formalities regarding Hindenburg, the group has hired expensive legal firms like Vactel, Lipton, Rosen, and Katz. Then there are roadshows in Singapore, Hong Kong, London, Dubai, and several other US cities to win back investors' confidence. The fact that Adani Group feels empowered to take such drastic steps is an indication of its strong fundamentals. The company was founded in 1988 and has grown by leaps and bounds in the last decade. It is not a fluke. The company has survived the license Raj competitions in the wake of 1991 reforms and a shining India, the 2008 financial crisis, and many more minor hiccups. A company without strong fundamentals cannot do that. Adani has business acumen and has experience getting through the system and getting the work done. The fact that it has 7 listed companies in diverse categories is a testament to that. The group is active in domains like renewable power generation, solar power manufacturing, power transmission, power and gas distribution, thermal power generation, and the extraction and utilization of natural resources and infrastructure. Both sides of the political spectrum want to get Adani on board for investing. On a more nuanced and technical level, the business intelligentsia and civil society have also supported him throughout. Sure, there are some anti-capitalists who will always rabble-rouse against any productive activity in the economy. They were shouting from rooftops after the Hindenburg revelation. The fact still remains that Hindenburg chose to target Adani Group when it was in the transitory phase. In this phase, companies take on huge debts to expand their businesses on the basis of contacts and reputations built in the preceding years or decades in Adani's case. For a few years, the company's fundamentals were temporarily weak. As soon as investments came to fruition, these financial ratios quickly changed. That is the case with the Adani Group. Hindenburg Group understands it, but they just wanted to make money and were successful. The tide will change in a few months, and this time it will be tough to overturn on a global level against Adani.